What if I told you that you can make an extra few £1,000 every month by just flipping items from your local retailer and resell them on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step from how to find products that actually sell with a real product example, how to add the product into your Amazon account, how to send the product to Amazon so that they can sell it for you. And as a new Amazon seller, you won't be allowed to sell some products. However, if you stay till the end of this video, I'll share the secret on how you can sell any product, even if you're a new Amazon seller. In return for all this value, all I ask from you is to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. There are two ways to find products that you can flip on Amazon for a profit. The first is by going to a physical retail or supermarket and find products that are on clearance or on sale and simply scan them one by one until you catch one that can make you a profit. Now I know what you must be thinking, Jatz, what app are you using to scan the products? So you have two options here. You can either use the Amazon Seller app or the Profit Tool Scanner, which is what I'm using here, because with this app, all I'm doing is scanning the barcode of the product and it will give me literally all the data about the product, from how many units it sells per month, all the type of fees, Amazon bestsellers rank, and it even calculates the ROI for the product. Now Profit Tool is not free, but you can use my discount code for 20% off on any of their monthly plans if you want to. Now what we're looking in every single product is that the product should have a minimum of 25 to 30% ROI and it must have a BSR below 100,000. The bestsellers rank below 100,000. So go aisle by aisle, scanning all the products until you find some that can make you a profit. And then you need to buy as many units as you can of that product. And a key tip I will give you here is to sign up for the loyalty program with the retailer, as they will give you vouchers and discounts to reduce the price even more. Now at this stage, if you're wondering why would someone pay more for the same product on Amazon? See, when you buy at Amazon, you're paying for the convenience. It's for the free next day delivery if you're a Prime member. And currently, Amazon has over 200 million Prime members. Moving on to the second way to find these products that you can resell on Amazon for a profit. Now with this method, you can look for products from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is go to the website of the retailer and find the clearance section. Here you will find many discounted opportunities that you can take an advantage of. All you need to do is copy the name of the product and paste it on Amazon. Then check if it sells for more than how much you can buy it for. And the next part is to make sure the product has minimum of 25 to 30% ROI. And the bestseller rank has to be below 100,000. And I can do that by just copying the ASIN of this product and paste it on the Profit Tool Track app to automatically do that all for me. Now, once again, you can calculate your ROI and get all this data manually without paying for any subscriptions. But if you have the budget, I would highly recommend you subscribing to an app like Profit Tool because it will make your life easier. If you want to learn how to calculate your ROI manually, you can join my free live Amazon FBA workshop on Sunday, where I'll be sharing additional ways to find these type of products, my 5-step product analysis checklist, as well as a Q&A at the end where you can ask me live questions, and it's for completely free. You can register using the link in the description. Now here's an example of a real good product. You can buy this product for £4.95, whereas on Amazon, this product, exact same product, is selling for £13.70. And when I put the ASIN, which you can find here, or you can find at the bottom right under product information, you should be able to find your ASIN. If I simply paste that ASIN on Profit Tool and I put in how much I'm buying the product for, and I'm buying for £4.95. And if I simply press calculate, and as you can see, this product is selling anywhere from between 6,000 to almost 8,000 times every single month. And the lowest price is selling at is £13.70 on Amazon. So after all the fees, I would make 78% ROI on this product, and the profit would be £3.22. So if I buy 300 units of this product and sell all in just 1 month, then I would make a total profit of, let's just see how much profit it would be. Almost £1,000 in profit, £966. So that is what's possible with this side hustle. Now, I'm not saying you're gonna find products like these every single day, but even if you find few products like this every month when you go shopping, or you're just sitting at home and you're looking at a website's clearance section, then it can make you a decent amount of side income, which you can use on things that you wanna do. Now you know how to find products that can sell, and it's time to sell them on Amazon. But to do so, you will need to set up your Amazon seller account. To do that, you will need to go on sell.amazon.com .co.uk if you're in the UK, .com if you're in the US, and .ca if you're in Canada, and .whatsoever if you're in a different country. Once you're on the website, this is how it will look, and there are two plans or two pricing plans for your Amazon seller account. One is free, and second one is £25 excluding VAT, £30 including VAT every single month. month. Why did I say month? Now, although the individual plan is free, I wouldn't recommend you get it because you are going to be selling more than 35 items a month and you want to be able to do everything and have all the access for your Amazon account, which is why I would highly recommend you pay the £25 or £30 per month, including VAT, every single month for the professional account. And you can either set up your Amazon seller account with your existing Amazon details, or you can create a brand new account and create your seller account. I'll leave a full guide on how you can set up your Amazon account in the description for free. You can just click the link and download it without even giving me your email or anything, just in the description for you. Now that guide is a step-by-step guide on how to open your Amazon account. However, it is for how to open your Amazon account with a limited company. But when you get to the part where it says select your entity type, if you just select individual, then you won't have to give a company details and stuff like that. You can simply open it with your personal details. Now let's add the product that you have bought from a retailer on your Amazon account, so then you can then ship it off to Amazon. And so all you need to do is head over to your Amazon account or Amazon seller account once it's set up. And on the top left corner where it says catalog, you need to click on add product. And here you'll need to enter the ASIN of this product. Now let's say this is the product that you have bought and you want to add it to your inventory. All you need to do is go and find the ASIN of this product, which you will find under product information. Copy the ASIN and simply paste the ASIN and search. Now here you'll need to select the condition as new and continue. Now here's where most new Amazon sellers get stuck, because they will need an approval to sell the Vaseline branded product, or in their case, any type of product that they have bought. And so I will share the secret with you on how you can get approved to sell almost any brand or any category that you want to sell in on Amazon, even if you're a new seller. So when you click on request approval, it will show you the selling application for the brand. And here it's asking for at least one purchase invoice with the following criteria. That is, the invoice has to be within 180 days. It is to have at least 10 units of that product, should have your address, should have the manufacturer's address, blah, blah, blah. Basically, you need one invoice which should have at least 10 purchase of that product. Now the problem here is that you're going to buy your product from a retailer and a supermarket, and they don't give you an invoice. All they do is give you a receipt, because you will only receive an invoice when you're buying from a wholesaler or a distributor, which is business to business. So in this case, all you have to do to get an invoice is go on Google and type in the brand name for you. For your case, it's going to be Vaseline, and then followed by wholesale. And you'll be given all the wholesalers that have the Vaseline brand products. And here I can see MX Wholesale. So I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, they're selling so many Vaseline products that I can buy for as cheap as 69p. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to look for the cheapest Vaseline product from that wholesaler and make sure that product also exists on Amazon. So let's say we are taking this as an example product. I'm going to make sure that this product also exists on Amazon, and it will cost me 69p from this wholesaler. So I will need to buy at least 10 units of this. So I'm going to buy 10 units of this, which will cost me £6.90, or with including VAT, it will be £8.30. Once the product arrives to my house, I'm going to do the exact same. I'm going to try and add it to my inventory, and I'll be given the application which I will need to submit. And so I'm simply going to go ahead and upload the invoice that MX Wholesale has provided me. And within 72 hours or so, I will be approved to sell the Vaseline brand product, which means now I can sell any Vaseline branded product, even this one which you have bought in the first place. Now you can follow this process and do it with almost every single brand on Amazon that you're allowed to sell on. You have created your Amazon account, you have got approved to sell that product, and you have added the product into inventory. Now it's time to label up the product and create an Amazon shipping plan so you can send that product off to Amazon. And so now I'll head to my Amazon packing station where I'll show you exactly how to do this. Now we know how to get ungated for any products that you want to sell, but how do you actually add that product to your inventory? That's what I'm going to show you now with this example product, which you can see on Amazon. You can buy in a pack of 4. And so all I'm going to do is copy the ASIN of this product from here, go on Amazon, paste it and search, and then select the condition and then just click continue. By the way, you see the text being weird and everything because Amazon just has a glitch right now, hence you see that. But on this page, all you'll be adding is the price of the product, which will be usually the cheapest price, and here it's $8.90, so $8.90. And then you're going to select the country of origin. We'll just add United Kingdom. If it's from a different country, you can just add that. Condition always new, and always select Amazon will dispatch and provide the customer service. This will basically mean that you are sending this product to Amazon, and Amazon is going to pick, pack, and ship the product for you and take care of the customer service. And here, only enable the marketplace you want to sell in. And I only recommend selling in the marketplace that you have opened your Amazon account in. So for my example, it's United Kingdom. And then I'm going to do save and finish. Now this page is a very important page. You will usually have a drop down which will say, do you want to use manufacturer's barcode, which is the barcode that comes on the product, or do you want to use Amazon's barcode, which is this, right? I always recommend you use Amazon's barcode for every product, and this is automatically selected for Amazon's barcode, which is a great thing. But the main reason why I say always select Amazon's barcode is because let's say you and I have sent this product in with the manufacturer's barcode. Now, once that product arrives to Amazon's warehouse and they might get mixed up, Amazon might think that my damaged product is yours and your good product is mine. I've been just given your product and you have just lost money on your product. Whereas if you had stuck Amazon's barcode on your product, then Amazon can scan and know that this product belongs to you. Hence, you always want to make sure you select Amazon's barcode. Once that's done, you will need to add dangerous goods information. So if the product contains any batteries or if it has any dangerous material, then you just have to press yes and provide the information. But in this case, there's nothing. So you do submit and list as FBA. That's all you do to add a product into your inventory. Now the product has been added to your inventory and it's time to prep the products and send them off to Amazon. And so we can prep the products while we create something called an Amazon shipping plan, or basically creating a shipping plan to send the product off to Amazon. Now we're going to prepare the product and we'll do that when we're doing the shipping plan. So as you can see, the product has appeared and it might take up to 15 minutes for the product to show up into your inventory because that's Amazon's loading time or whatever it's called. But then you should be able to see that product. And once it's in your inventory, in order for you to create a shipping plan, all you need to do is go on this drop down and then click on send/replenish inventory. When you click on that, this is how it will look. And here you will need to put in the prep and labeling details. Does this product need any type of preparation? This product does not need any type of preparation because it's not made of glass, so it doesn't need any bubble wrapping. If it was made of glass, it would have told me to bubble wrap the product, but that's not the case. And then we just press save, and then who labels units? We as a seller are going to label the Amazon's barcode. You can get Amazon to do it for you, but they will charge you 25p per unit. And we don't want to do that because our ROI will be taken away. So then you click save. Now, how many units of this product I'm sending? Let's say I'm sending in 10 units and I'm ready to pack. And now I can print all the SKU labels. The SKU labels are basically this, which is also the Amazon's barcode. And I can select on which template I want to print it on. So this is a 44 label template, which I will link the A4 sheet stickers you can get. As you can see, you can get stickers like this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description where you can purchase them for. But you can select whichever template you have and then you click on print all and it will download the template for you, which you can print on any printer. You don't have to have a specific printer which does any specific thing. It could be the printer that you use to print your CV or anything. So as you can see, it's given us the template of the barcode. Now all we need to do is stick this barcode on the individual units. Here's a key piece of information that you will need to know. This product is being sold in a pack of 4. So 4 units or 4 individual products make 1 unit. Remember that. If that is the case, then you will have to put 4 units into a poly bag like this. You will put all of them, put in a nice way. You put it like this, and then you're gonna seal it off. So you're gonna pack it, and then you can seal it off, right? So now this is 1 unit, and you will need to stick your Amazon's barcode on top of the poly bag. So you won't be individually labeling the products. You'll be sticking on the actual poly bag, which has 4 individual units, because this listing is a pack of 4. But if this listing was for 1 individual product, then all I have to do is stick the barcode on each product. Once that's done, you need to pack individual units. And now it's time to put the product into a box. This box can be anything. And what I recommend is going on Facebook Marketplace and writing in free boxes, and you will find a seller or someone who's just giving out free boxes. You can take them and you can use them to send your products. But you need to make sure that the box is no longer than 63.5 centimeter in all 4 dimensions, because if it's bigger than that, then Amazon's not going to accept it. So we take a box like this, and as you can see, I'm reusing Amazon's box, which I bought a product in, and I'm going to just put the product in there and then pack the box off. And then I can tape the box off. That would be my product pack. And so on this page, I need to say that everything will fit in 1 box if I'm only sending 1 box. If I'm sending multiple boxes because I've ordered so many units of that product, then I will need to select multiple boxes will be needed. But for our case, we'll choose 1 box. And now we measure the dimension of the box from 1 side, 2 side, and the 3rd side. And so just for example, we'll take 25 25, 25 by 10. And the box weight, so we'll have to weigh this box and check how much the weight is. Let's say, for example, this is just 1 kg. So we'll do confirm packaging. And it might sometimes give you warnings because it might think that the weight and size does not match and stuff like that. But the only warning you have to be worried about or care about is that if your box weighs more than 15 kg, then you will need to put this label on the box, which is, so you will need to print this off and stick on all 4 sides of the box. Once that's done, you can confirm and continue. Now on this step, you will need to select when you want to ship the product off to Amazon. So in our case, we'll say tomorrow. And here it will also give you the price at how much it will cost you to send this product. So as you can see, it will cost me £2.45. It will also show me where it's going to. So this is the place where it's being shipped to. Now this price here is excluding VAT. So with VAT, it'll be 20% added on top of that, which will come to like £2.90 or something along those lines. The shipping amount will be taken away from your Amazon balance. So if you have made some sales, it will be taken from there. And if you haven't made any sales, your account will go in negative balance, and then it will eventually take it from your bank card, which is connected to your Amazon account. Then you will simply need to click on I agree and accept charges. And finally, you will need to print off the label for the box. So we have printed the labels for the products. Now the label for the box, which you will need to stick on the top of the box so that UPS can scan it as well as Amazon can scan it. So the template I usually choose is 99.1 times by 139. So I just click on print, and it will give me the template which I can print off again on any printer. And you can find a template for 2 labels in the description as well. You can print off these labels on these 2 labels A4 template. Again, link to these labels in the description as well, so you can buy it directly from there. But you print off in here, and then you can simply peel it off, and then you can stick it on the side of the box. So make sure it's on the side of the box right here, as you can see, like that. The reason why you want to stick it on the side is because sometimes if you stick it at the top, when your box is being sent in UPS transit, it might get damaged. The label might get damaged, so Amazon might not be able to scan it, which is the reason why I always stick on the side. Now that is our shipping plan created, and there is one more final step left, which is to schedule your shipment with UPS, so then they can come to your home or your office or your warehouse and collect your shipment. And to do that, all you need to do is go to ups.com and then go on shipping and then schedule a collection. And here you will need to put in details of your shipment. So first thing first, do you have a prepaid UPS shipping label? Yes, we do. And where can we get the tracking details? You will need to go here and then click on view tracking details on your shipping plan. And on your shipping plan, you will see tracking ID. You need to copy that and simply paste it here. And if you have multiple tracking IDs, if you have multiple boxes you're sending, you will have multiple tracking IDs. So in order to put all of them, you need to put a comma in between and paste the next one, comma, and then the next one. But for us, it's only one. And then you will need to put in your details, your address, and here how many boxes you're sending. For our case, it's 1. If you're sending 10, you put 10, and then total weight of your collection. So if one box is 1 kg, for us, it's 1. If I'm sending 10 boxes, each of them is 1 kg, then it would be 10 kg. Does your collection contain an item that weighs more than 32 kg? No, it does not. And then I'll need to simply select the date and the time where you want the UPS delivery driver to come to your home or office and collect the shipment for you. And then I will simply need to click next. And on the next page, I need to click on confirm. And that is all I have to do in order for me to send this product off to Amazon. If you still have more questions, then you can join my free Amazon FBA workshop on Sunday, where I will have a Q&A session at the end where you can ask me any questions you have live. Link in the description for registration. But in the meantime, you can go check out this video for a step-by-step guide on how to start selling on Amazon.